So, mayroon lang tayong bigyan ng kaunting reaction at opinion dito patungkol dito sa plano ng China na gawing nature reserve yung parte ng Baho de Masinloc. So, ito'y interview ng isang TV news channel ng Taiwan Talks patungkol doon sa plano talaga ng isang bansa tulad ng China na gawin yung isang parte ng Baho de Masinloc na nature reserve. So, pero alam naman natin na karamihan sa ginagawa ng mga China is puro lang panggigipit or taktika upang makuha nila yung kanilang gusto. Katulad ng nangyari noon sa Mischief Ref, kung natatandaan ko, mga binatilyo pa lang ako niyan, is kunting maliit lang naman na post or tambayan lang daw ng mga mangingisda ng China yung tinayo nilang structure doon sa Mischief Reef na ngayon ay isang ng artificial island. So, maaari ito rin ang plano nila para makuha nila ang Baho de Masinloc dahil ito talaga yung pinakamalapit na isla sa Pilipinas. May plano talaga ang China sa ginagawa nila ito sa Baho de Masinloc. So, pakinggan natin yung interview ng isang TV anchor sa plano ng China tungkol doon sa nature reserve sa Baho de Masinloc. So, pakinggan po natin.
Said on X that China's action, quote, is less about protecting the environment and more about justifying its control over a maritime feature that is part of Philippine territory. It is a clear pretext toward eventual occupation. Now, Scarborough Shoal lies within Manila's exclusive economic zone, just 134 nautical miles from the Luzon coast. In 2012, it was seized by China, which operates a near blockade around the feature. This week, on September 10th, China's State Council approved an application to establish the nature reserve, which under Chinese law means foreigners must first gain approval from Chinese authorities to visit. A nature reserve is divided into an off-bounds core area, a buffer area only for scientific research, and an experimental zone that permits research and visit.
So, scientific research daw. Bluff lang yan ng China para talaga nila makuha yung Baho de Masinloc. Ang dami nilang gimmick na ginagawa. Hindi na ito bago sa atin na issue sa WPS yung Baho de Masinloc. Dahil sa dami-dami ng insidenteng ginagawa ng pambubulit talaga ng China, hindi na talaga ito nakakabuti. Maraming bansa na ang nakakapansin nito sa ginagawa ng China. Sa pang-aapi sa mga maliliit na bansa katulad ng Pilipinas. Akala nila is talagang superpower na sila. So, at isa pa rito, nabanggit pa rito, nabanggit dito ng China din na hindi nila iginagalang yung arbitral ruling na pinapanalunan ng Pilipinas noong 2016 na Pilipinas lang ang mayroong karapatan sa WPS at mga isla nito.
What do you make of the selected areas for protection versus those that are not?
I think this is a bigger area.
So, yan po yung isla ng Baho de Masinloc na gusto nilang lagyan daw ng nature reserve. Yan po ay yung pinaka bababaw na parte ng ang Baho de Masinloc patungkol doon sa gawa nila. Dahil yan ang posible na gawin nilang panimula sa paggawa ng artificial island na naman.
Where it rise up sea level, so it is designated as a reservation area. So I think this is quite arbitrary. There is no political or strategic meaning for drawing the line in the northernmost part of the rock instead of the south part. The Scarborough should actually separate two parts of the rock. The line we see over there is the North Rock.
So presumably, though, if there's only part of it that
Philippine sovereignty or not,
I do not think that the United States will do anything about it because right now, at least not the official collision or the confrontation that really happens. And this is a Chinese claim. Apparently, the United States would not recognize it. But how the Philippines react to a Chinese claim that the Philippines did its own decisions.
Okay. Now to the 2016 Permanent Court of Arbitration ruling, which rejected China's sweeping then 9-dash line claim to the South China Sea. Scarborough Shoal is a traditional fishing ground for many countries. Therefore, the tribunal ruled that, quote, China has, through the operation of its official vessels at Scarborough Shoal from May 2012 onwards, unlawfully prevented Filipino fishermen from engaging in traditional fishing at Scarborough Shoal. Now, the Philippines has demanded that China abide by UNCLOS, the 2016 arbitral award, as well as the 2002 Declaration on the Conduct of Party.
Nabanggit din dyan ng Anchor na yung karapatan ng Pilipinas dahil tayo ang nanalo, Pilipinas ang nanalo sa arbitral ruling na yan. Noong 2016 pa yan. Pero, pilit ang ginigiit ng China na hindi nila igagalang kung ano ang napanalunan dahil may claim daw sila. Alam naman natin ang China talaga is magaling gumawa ng mga peking dokumento or mga sabihin na natin mga magagaling magnupya. So talagang ganoon ang ginagawa ng China para makuha nila yung gusto nila. Dahil ang akala talaga nila is sa kanila. Kung mayroong mga Chinese na nandito sa Pilipinas ngayon, yun ay trade ang ginawa. Sa history, kailangan talaga kung mag-claim tayo ng isang isla or isang na ito ay talagang inangkin nila or nasakop nila. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko. So, sa ginagawa kasi ng China ngayon is ayaw nilang gumalang, ayaw nilang igalang yung karapatan ng Pilipinas sa Scarborough at sa iba pang islang nasasakupan ng WPS na 200 nautical mile from the coastline ng Philippines ay pag-aari or territorial boundary ng isang bansa. So, yun na po ang magiging reaksyon natin at tabayan natin kung ano pang mangyayari sa susunod.